Donald Trump's legal team argued before the court this week that the election subversion case in Georgia should be thrown out because of the former president's free speech rights.
It is a First Amendment challenge, would be right, constitutional challenge on the First Amendment grounds.
Trump's lawyers said the racketeering case against him and more than a dozen co-defendants in Fulton County should be thrown out because Trump was exercising his First Amendment rights in the aftermath of the 2020 election. The judge heard arguments from lawyers with DA Fani Willis's office on why the First Amendment challenge should not derail the case at this stage. They argued it's too early to be making arguments that should best be heard at trial.
As applied challenge, I'm still just trying to get over and really understand the procedural element of it.
Well, and that's what Major says, is that because that intent question has yet to be answered, and the jury is the person who is the entity that answers that question, it's premature to consider this.
The hearing was the first time since the judge decided Willis could remain on the prosecution that lawyers were back in the courtroom talking about the case itself. The judge reprimanded Willis for engaging in a romantic relationship with a prosecutor she hired to help her on the Trump case, and demanded that she remove the prosecutor, Nathan Wade. But Willis has remained defiant that the case will continue with her at the helm.
I don't feel like my reputation needs to be reclaimed. Let's say it for the record. I'm not embarrassed by anything I've done.
The judge has not yet made a decision about whether to allow the First Amendment challenge to proceed, but it could mark another roadblock in a case that has already faced delays. Sarah Bedford for the Washington Examiner.